Civilization runs on one thing. Not money, not technology, but energy. Every city, every system, every part of modern life depends on a constant flow of energy. And without it, everything stops. To understand how the world really works, you need to understand energy. Because behind everything you see, there is a system powering it. And today, we are going to explore the system that keeps modern civilization alive. Modern civilization is massive. Billions of people, thousands of cities, millions of machines running every second. Lights turn on instantly. Factories operate nonstop. Data flows across the planet. But none of this happens by accident. It all depends on one invisible system: energy. Energy powers everything. Grids distribute it across entire countries. Fuel moves through pipelines. Ships transport energy resources across oceans. All connected, all synchronized. A continuous flow. And this flow has to be perfectly balanced. Too little energy. Systems begin to fail. Too much instability. Entire regions can collapse. But energy is not isolated. It is connected to everything else. Energy powers global trade. Energy powers the internet. Energy powers financial systems. Without energy, these systems stop. And when they stop, civilization feels it. There is something important about this system. It is powerful, but it is also fragile. A disruption in energy supply can trigger economic crises. Entire industries depend on stability. Entire populations depend on access. Because modern civilization is built on continuous energy flow. In other words, energy is not just a resource. It is the foundation of civilization. And without it, nothing else works. The price of food, the stability of economies, the functioning of cities, the speed of the internet, all of it depends on energy. And once you see this, you start to understand the world differently. Not as isolated events, but as systems. Because long before change appears, the system is already shifting. And this is just one of the systems shaping our world. Subscribe to understand what comes next.